Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Anaconda on your computer, MacBook or Windows, whatever you have. The first thing I want you to do is go to your Internet Explorer or Chrome and type in anaconda.com and open up this page here. This is the main Anaconda page. The next thing I want you to do is go to Individual Edition. This is the edition we are going to install because it's the open source distribution and it's free. So we are going here and next we click Download. And it takes you down here, and this section is important because you have to download the correct version. So if you have a Windows, make sure that you install either this one or this one. This depends on your computer, so check if you have a 64-bit or 32-bit. And if you have a MacBook, use this section here. Or Linux, which is right here. So I'm going to install, if you have a MacBook, I'm going to install the graphic installer. It's, in my opinion, the better version. It has desktop access, so I'm going to click that. And now it asks me where I want to save the Anaconda installer package, and I'm just going to save it on my desktop. Make sure that you have enough space on your computer. Anaconda takes around 400 to 500 megabyte, so have at least 500 megabyte free storage. Okay, now that it has stopped installing, you're not done yet. You have to actually still install it. So this actually just installed the installer. And now we have to complete the process. So here I'm just saying continue. And if you want, you can read this. I'm just gonna skip over it. You have to also agree to the software license. Okay, and now you will see here it says 484 megabyte. So you have to have this space, otherwise it's not going to be successful. You can change your install location, but I'm just gonna keep it on my desktop. So once this finally has installed, it asks you, this installer would like to access your files in your desktop folder. I'm just going to say okay. Okay, and the last thing here, you just say continue. Great, and then you close it. After successfully installing your Anaconda, you have to navigate to the applications if you have a MacBook, and to the place wherever you stored Anaconda Navigator on a Windows or Linux. Okay, so after you see you're in the applications folder, you open up the Anaconda Navigator. Okay, and this is how Anaconda Navigator looks like. It has different applications, so if you are a data analyst or programmer, you will be familiar maybe with RStudio, Spyder, or Visual Studio Code. You can use all of these because you installed the whole package. To open up Jupyter Notebook, we just simply say launch, and it will open up this page here that gives you the opportunity to upload your files or your data sets. So if you have an Excel sheet that you want to analyze through Jupyter Notebook using Python, you just have to upload it here, and I say upload. Okay, and the next thing we have to do is open up a notebook, which we can do here by clicking New and selecting Python 3. And this is how the Jupyter Notebook looks like. And from here you can import your data sets, which I will be showing in another video. There is another way of doing using Jupyter Notebook, which I can really quickly show you actually before ending this video. You can go here, Jupyter Notebook. Just Google Jupyter Notebook and you will get to the jupyter.org homepage. And the best thing here is you don't have to install anything to use Jupyter Notebook. You could say try it in your browser, and you select Try Jupyter Lab, and this has to load a little bit, so just give it time. Okay, so now you have actually a very, very similar interface. I mean, this is pretty much the same. And the way you can upload files here so that you can use them in your Jupyter Notebook for analysis is by clicking this upload button and upload your file here. And it's here now, so the next thing is we need to say File, New, and we could say Notebook because we want to use that notebook. Here you can choose the language that you want to use. You could use C++, R, but we stick with Python for now. And you basically have the exact same interface now where you can import packages and analyze your data sets as you wish. This was all from me for today. I hope that you like this video, and I hope this gives you some alternatives on using the Jupyter Notebook to analyze your data sets. I really enjoy working with this interface. It makes analyzing so much more fun, and thank you for watching.